National income. Nobel laureate Simon Kuznets first introduced the concept of national income. National income means the total money value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a particular period of time. Alfred Marshall definition. The labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resources produce annually a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kinds. This is the true net annual income or revenue of the country or national dividend. Difficulties in measuring national income. Transfer payments, difficulties in assessing depreciation allowance, unpaid services, income from illegal activities, production for self-consumption and changing price, capital gains and statistical problems. Transfer payments. Government makes payments in the form of pensions, unemployment allowance, subsidies, etc. These are government expenditure, but they are not included in the national income. During a year, interest on national debt is also considered transfer payments because it is paid by the government to individuals and firms on their past savings without any productive work. Difficulties in assessing depreciation allowance. The deduction of depreciation allowances, accidental damages, repair and replacement charges from the national income is not an easy task. Unpaid services. The national income analysis ignores domestic work, housekeeping, and social services. Most of such valuable work rendered by our women at home does not enter our national accounting. Income from illegal activities. Income earned through illegal activities like gambling, smuggling, illicit extraction of liquor, etc., is not included in national income. Such activities are not considered as productive from the point of view of society. Production from self-consumption and changing price. Farmers keep a large portion of goods produced for self-consumption. The problem is whether that part of the produce which is not sold in the market can be included in national income or not. Capital gains. Capital gains arise when a capital asset such as a house, other property, stocks, or shares, etc., is sold at higher price than was paid for it at the time of purchase. Capital gains are excluded from national income. Statistical problems. Most of the statistical staff are untrained and inefficient. Different languages, customs, etc. also create problems in computing estimates. People in India are indifferent to the official enquiries. They are in most cases non-cooperative also. Thank you for watching this video.